Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix emo call reconnecting problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all turn on your settings, and here you can see flight mode. Turn on for some times, then turn off, and check your internet connection is stable. Then long press on emo, tap on I button or F info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, and go back to previous page. Tap on app permission and allow all permission one by one, like camera, allow location, microphone, allow music, audio, nearby device, allow photos and videos, allow, and go back to home page. Go to Play Store, search here emo, update your emo app if it's available for updates. Then open your emo app and try to call anyone. By doing this process you can successfully solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.